Welcome to myiacademy.com. I'm Professor Mahfooz from Jinnah Medical College, Pakistan. Here in VHB 16.3, we are going to discuss FFA or Fundus Fluorescein Angiography. Look at the investigations. This one is B scan or ultrasonography. This is OCT. This one is angiography. Number 4 is visual fields. Number 5 is corneal topography. And number 6 is B scan. And here we are going to only discuss FFA or Fundus Fluorescein Angiography. The steps: first of all, you have to take the dye, which is the fluorescein dye. Number 2, you put a butterfly in the arm and you have to inject the dye, and the dye goes into the eye of the patient and you can see the photographs or the blood vessels of the patient, and that is why it's called Fundus Fluorescein Angiography. Let's first discuss the normal angiogram or normal FFA. First of all is the transit time. That's the time taken by the dye to reach from the arm into the eye, and we call it transit time, and no dye is visible till that time. It takes about 7 to 8 or 9 seconds. Then is the choroidal phase. The choroid has got the richest blood supply in the body. So first of all, the dye reaches the choroid and you can see the white choroid is visible, and after the choroid it goes into the arteries, so we call it arterial phase. In the arterial phase you can see the arteries are seen as white while there is no dye in the veins, so the veins are still looking black. And then is the arteriovenous phase, in which the dye reaches the veins. Look at the veins, there's a lamellar flow in the veins. That's how you differentiate between the veins and the arteries. Look at the artery, it is totally white. Look at the vein, it has got a lamellar flow, so you can differentiate between the arteries and the veins in the retina. And finally the dye fades out, and in the late phase there is some staining. So these are the stages of the Fundus Fluorescein Angiography. So FFA stands for Fundus Fluorescein Angiography. The source is fluorescein dye injected in the vein to visualize the vessel. Purpose is the visualization of the blood vessels, and we use it to see the leakage from the blood vessels, to see the blockage of the blood vessels. So these are the two main things, and we can also see that the new vessels have developed or not. So the main purpose is either the leakage or the blockage. Let's see that. Look at these pictures. The top two pictures are blockage, while the bottom two pictures are leakage. Look at that. The blood vessels are visible here, but this patch there is no dye, so this means the blood vessel is blocked at this place and it is not letting the dye to fill that part of the retina. So this is blockage. Here there's a widespread blockage in the whole retina, and look at this picture. There's a leakage of the dye at one particular spot, and here there's a leakage from this area and leakage from this area. So you can either find out the leakage or the filling defect with the fluorescein angiography. You have many more uses of it, but these are the two main uses for the undergraduates. Thank you very much for being with me, and do give your feedback. Thank you.